What's up, guys? Now I'm actually quite excited about this video. Now I have already opened this package, but I've just kind of put it back together. And this is for my new type of videos, guys. Now it doesn't look too similar, but oh my god, guys! Look at that. So guys, sorry about that. Right guys, sorry about that. Now, it's actually really good. It doesn't look like the normal one, but I think it looks kind of cooler. Looks kind of evil. Just need to change his eyebrows, I think. If I didn't want him to look evil. Yeah, you can't really do that much. Now he looks dirty. But guys, this looks good. Hello. What the way, Tui? Tui, get out the way. Sorry guys, this is my cat. Let me just move that there. So guys, that looks sick. This is going to be in upcoming videos. And it looks good. It really does. It looks sick, doesn't it?
It looks good.
Now guys, I actually have a plush closet, so I will be putting him in there soon. There'll be a video coming like Saturday or Sunday. But this looks sick. The nose is a bit big, but it's pretty cool though. You can take the bib off, I've realised too. As you see there. And he can sit, obviously. He looks pretty. Yeah, it does though.
I like it.
Yeah. Oh, the hair's kind of sticking back a bit here though. What I need to do is kind of push that up there. Oh, there we go. So guys, this is the Bowser Jr. That's going to be my plush videos. Looks angry though, but you know, it is Bowser's son, I guess. So I'm just going to be doing another unboxing video. It was in a box obviously, but it's going to be a different plush. And then probably after that video I'll have a video out for this guy. So guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and see you in the next one. Bye guys.